Uramati wa giko ukoretwo uri ugwati munene kuri thirikari cia kaunti, imwe ciacio ikigomerwo ni wagi wa ciara cia gutegiko, na riri kuri na uhuthiri munene wa irebeko na indo ingi cia thibitari cia kwigitira gutherema kwa homa ya COVID-19. Uramati muregenyuku wa giko ni undu urerikana ugicungiriria na njira nene utheremu wa homa ino.
To ensure that we improve our waste management. You just heard this morning that in this hospital we generate between 1 and 2 tons per day. We have done an estimation and found that Kenya, on average, every day, we produce 22,000 tons of waste.
The masks that we wear are there to prevent the spread of the disease, but can also be a conduit for the spread of the very same disease.
Kipto akiaria hindi ya kuheana indo cia uramati wa giko gya thibitari kuri kaunti ya Nakuru ni uritie muingi na thirikari cia kaunti kugathika mitaratara iria yagirire hari ungania na uthukangia wa giko.
So we have come up with a policy and a bill which is going to be before cabinet, and the policy is actually focusing on moving away from what we call a linear approach to management, where we just don't segregate our waste. We get it from our homes or wherever we are and take it all the way to the dump site. I don't know what this place is called, but I know in Nairobi we have the Dandora. I'm told you it's called Kyoto. We would not like all the waste to go to Kyoto.
Our population here is about 2.4 million people. If 25% of that are using the single-use mask, it would mean we have about 600,000 pieces to dispose every day.
Gavana wa Nakuru Kinyanjui ni ahinyiririe makiria ugwati wa irebeko hari utambia wa homa ino. Kinyanjui oho ni ugite family magana mere iria cikaraga hakuhi na kiara kia gioto kia Nakuru iri ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni mirimu angikorwo giko kiara-ini giki gitikuramatwo na njira iria yagiriire.
We have over 200 families that directly depend on that waste site. So it is very important that we manage our site from source, as has been said here, so that before it gets there, we have tried to sort the problem as much as possible.
Kinyanjui ni uritie ufaciriri hari uthimi wa matereba ma marori ma thabari ndaya amu ni andu maranyita itemi inene hari ukuria wa makaunti undu umwe na mabururi ona gutuika matereba aya ni ugwati munene hari utambia wa homa ya coronavirus.
We have continued to monitor entry and exit from our border points, but I think also more importantly the emerging threat of truck drivers, and these are drivers who carry very important cargo from across region, across countries, but as a result of that, they have been exposed to the risk of infection. In the last 1 week, we have had 2 confirmed, one yesterday, the other one last week.
Oho ni matheretie ati uthimi wa matereba kaunti-ini ino no guthii na mbere na mundu uria kurerekana ari mutithiriria wa ndereba uria wonekanire na murimu uyu mwena wa Mai Mahiu ni gukuo akuitwo no ndari mumuteithiriria. Uthimi wa matereba ni undu ukoretwo gituthura urugari munene ona nje ya bururi ica ikuhi ukirehe ndugamano nene gatagati ga Kenya na bururi wa Tanzania.
The gentleman was actually not a truck driver, but he had gotten a lift inside a truck, and when he was tested at Mai Mahiu, he never waited for his results and just came, and he found him at Kiratina. So far we've put 8 close contacts in our quarantine facility, and we've put some families in the plot that he was living in, totaling 15 people quarantined within their facility, and we are monitoring them daily, and we'll do the normal procedures as provided by the policy of the Ministry of Health.
Ikuhi ukirehe ndugamano nene gatagati ga Kenya na bururi wa Tanzania. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru. Ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.